Come on, simple equations, and after I finish the simple equations, we went further to solving equations, but now by completing square. So what we actually agreed on that day is that when you have got a polynomial, something which is more or less like x squared plus b, something like that in that format, we say the coefficient of x is what I have to divide by 2. Once divided by 2, square that, and then you add the other side of your equation. So we did several examples of solving by what is called completing square. So can you, wherever you be, can you practice how to solve equations using completing square? If you already did in form 2, it's not form 3, you did that solving equations by completing the square. So there we are looking at something different, but still that is the quadratic equation. So we are still going further with our quadratic equation. Those who are playing with the phones, can we please switch them off or put them on silent? You can play with them. You have got plenty of time the whole of the day. Once I finish, you can play with it anytime, whichever you want. But currently, can we switch them off or can put them on silent or on a flight mode?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Huh? I'll give you a paper, don't worry. I'll give you a paper. I'm still working on those because you see, you are first here. So there are other areas that if I do them in a very quick manner, then it may end up that maybe but I'll give you a paper. Those are your papers, you wrote them, I will give them to you. Those are your assignments, you wrote them, I have to give them to you. So everything I'll give them to you. That's why I've come late, I was busy again to read math and other papers. I thought they have to be a math. Because others who don't even do as to the standards of the university. So I had now to be math. And then I will send to the results back to this one, the guy who reported them. But I had to send them back. I'm having a meeting at 3 o'clock again on the version on your result. So I should not even put that one in hurry because I may infringe some of your rights. I don't want that. But I will give you a paper. Possibly I will give you a paper. Either by but I hopefully everyone is putting papers either by tomorrow can come and get your papers in their face. I will not bring them here in class, but you can get them individually. Because you go to them individually, then you have to go to them individually. I will give you a paper. Right, I went to the very same channel. I know if I mark wrongly, which I know that maybe, or if I at least if I infringe your right, some of you can get worried and you don't like it. That's why when I mark and work with and give them to other people, they see, then I mark that to avoid some of the scribe and say, no, I think I must be bad. Right, so let me, so your question I think is clear, understood, don't worry, right? Don't worry, you are my son, I will give you papers Friday and my daughters, I will give you papers Friday. You see the way you have to perform, and I will do the correction, the whole paper, I will do the correction. Now let's go to this issue on the quadratic equations, but now we are using what is called the formula method. That you already did in secondary school, quadratic equation by formula. Right. I'll be explaining while we are writing something down. using quadratic formula. Let's go like that. So we are looking at quadratic equations using a formula. Quadratic equations using a formula. And then we are saying, now we can solve the quadratic equation using the formula as follows. We can solve the quadratic equations using quadratic formula as follows. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac down, this is divided by 2a, minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I know most of us, I think we are familiar with this, with that formula. In your MSCE, some of you will not even remember that and to scribble somewhere so that you will remember by that time. The formula for that is the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over a, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So which means our general formula will be something like this. A x squared plus b x plus c equals to 0. So where we are looking at a is the coefficient of x squared, this one, and b is the coefficient of x, this one, and this c is our constant. So we are looking at, so we'll be using these numbers. There will be numbers there, which those numbers you are going to substitute. You know, you learned about substitution. You will substitute them here. What is the value of x? You put it there. What is the value of b? You are going to put it there. What is the value of c? You are going to put it there. Then you calculate. When you calculate, you are going to get two values of x. So you say either x is equal to this or that. So you can have two values of x out of that calculation. So where a is the coefficient of x squared here, b is the coefficient of x, this one, and c is the constant, this one. The term of b squared minus 4 is, yes, I think this term here, which is here, before you square, the term here, b squared minus 4ac, is called, that term is called, what is called discriminant. So that one is what is called discriminant. This one, discriminant. Discriminant is this one. This is our discriminant. And the root of the quadratic equation will be divided by 4. Now, what about the roots? What they are saying is the answer you are going to get will be determined by those three factors. So your answer the roots you are going to get from the quadratic equation will be determined by these three factors here. The first factor is this, that if when you see that when you work out here, inside here, when you work on this inside there, and if your answer there is better than is there, then just know that there are two solutions. Okay. And it shows that we are going to two distinct and real roots. Two distinct to be two different answers. So, but they will be more or less like it, but they will be different. So when you find that this is greater. In other words, when you discover that when you calculate here inside and you find that it's more than zero, your problem has got a solution. Has got two solutions. It has solutions. But when you discover that you are working here and then it's equal to zero, it means that your solutions will be the same. We will have two equal solutions here. When you only calculate that this is having zero, it means that there is a solution. But those solutions, they are what? The equal solutions. But when you discover that you are working inside here, only here, or you are discriminant, and you discover that it is less than zero, just know that there is no solution at all. Even if you don't bother working it out, you can just say there is no solution. So there is no solution. So you can see, maybe, sometimes I know you are coming from secondary school, right? The teachers did not even tell you the easiest way of doing it. Sometimes management will give you a problem, and then you discover that you have to sweat it up to the age. There is no solution. Why can't you just work out on the discriminant? And then when you find that it is zero, and when it is less than zero, just say there is no solution. You can write down there is no solution to that problem, and then you will get all the marks without the problem. So I see that the easiest way of doing this quadratic equation is work out on the discriminant. The discriminant is very, very important. You get that, right? Discriminant is very, very important when you are working out the quadratic equation. Right. To solve the quadratic equation using a formula, firstly you have to find A, B, and C from the given quadratic equation. And substitute them into the quadratic formula is what I was talking about here. And then you simplify them to get the roots of the quadratic. You can simplify them to get these roots here. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 conditions. These are the most important conditions so far up. Right? They are the most important solutions. With you and myself, what you will do is, I may not even bother asking you to solve the equation. I know you have been solving them at secondary school level. But I can just give you a multiple choice on the resource. And when I say, when this is equal to this, then it shows that is the resource. I can just say, when b squared minus 4ab, if a discriminant is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then it implies that 1, this is that. 2, this is that. 3, this is that. Choose. But that's what we need. So let's go to this example and then we see whether what we are saying is true or not. Let's go to this example. The example. We have to solve this together. You see, you may wonder, why is it that we are doing these things that we already did it at secondary school? Education does not end. You are going to meet the very same problems, the very same things here when you are doing your masters. And you'll be wondering, we are doing masters, why are we doing this? You are going to see the very same things when you be doing your doctorate degree, PhD. You will solve quadratic equations, and you cannot run away from that. That's what the education is all about. There are some of you say that, no, I think we learned those ones in secondary school. I know you learned. Even myself, I learned it. And in university, I learned it. Whatever we learned, learning and learning, not these things. Education, the one that you learned will be learning it. Those who are doing, your friends who are doing at College of Medicine, I didn't mean that maybe if you had a chance of, maybe if you have a chance sometimes, because you can upgrade from that. If you want to take medicine, you can do that. Some of you can upgrade, if you don't take law, you can do law. In law, you are going to read the history again. The history that you learn in secondary school, you meet them there. The whatsoever history, you learn them. Right? It's the same. So you cannot say, those history, I learned them in primary school. Maybe someone who is teaching you to be who is lecturing you, so that you be a judge. You have to take it. It shows that you are learning here. Take it seriously. But if you underrate it, then it will not help you. Alright, yes. I think let's go to the example. So, they given you a quadratic using formula, and that is that. Let's solve it together. We'll solve it and then we'll solve the discriminant, and then you see where we belong. Now let's solve it. The formula is that one. What is our formula? X is equal to what?
Negative b.
Negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac. Now the over will start here. Yes. If you write it over here, that is wrong. The over starting from the whole of this up to what? Up to the ac. That is over what to what? Yes. From this one, what is our b? What is our a? What is our a from there? 1. Our a is 1, b 2. And what is our c? Negative 3. Negative 3. Now we substitute. Right? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it yourself? No, you do it. You up to the end, and I want to see the social state. I want to see the answer at the end. So, present here. We are still in primary. Let's stop doing that present. Now what's that? Can we do this problem? Let's do it. Individually, do it there. You substitute that. You can do it either with you can do it individually, you can do it with your friends. Every Tuesday at 10 10 to 12, what do you have? Oh, some of you are your foundation, right? I thought maybe all of you are free. I would have shifted you 10 up to 12. So because some they go for foundation studies, therefore it remains very simple. Right? What you have done. Let's know what your solution says. That is what you have done. The value of x. X will carry two values, right? Yeah. So what's the first value? 1. And the second one? Negative 3. So those are the two values. I think you can going to act like that one. So it is 1 and negative 3. Those are the your solution set. So the solution set is 1. If I ask you in an exam and I say, can you put your answer in the solution set? What I want you to do is, please don't just write it anyhow. You have to write it like this. You have to write. A set is this one. Yes. So it is 1 and what? 1. And negative 3. You do like this. This is your solution set. It's right again. Solution you give them and just do like this. 1 and you do like this. Right? Alright, now that is solution set. So when you do that, that will be fine. Let's go to equations compatible to quadratic form. Another topic. This one is done. Now, before we finish with drawing, let's look at let us test the three conditions here from this one. Can you test the three conditions from this one? Can you find your b squared minus 4ac? Only this part. Find out what answer are you getting here? What answer are you getting already here? Your discriminant here is what? 16. Is 16 less than 0, greater than 0, or equal to 0? Greater than 0. So we are in which condition here? 2. So this one. 2 distinct and real roots. Those are real roots because they are only 2 distinct. 2 distinct and real. These are very real what? Real roots. But when you work out your discriminant here and you work them that is 0, then you are in condition of this one. It means the body 2 equal and 2, the answer with that one will be equal. Right? Right. Assuming that is 0. Assuming the discriminant there is 0. Can you find out? I'm not talking about this. I'm looking at the recipe here. If you assuming that is this and that is 0. When this and that is 0, you have this and that is 0. you have this one plus minus 0, right? Right. You have a number here minus negative b plus minus 0 over 2 what? 2a. Right? So which means you have this 2a here and you have a number there that you are going to play around. Right? That's why they are saying that there's 2 where you have 2 equal and real roots from there. You are going to have 2 equal and the real roots. But when your answer here is going to be less than 0, this one, it's where now you have got you can say it's no root. In other words, there is no solution. There is no solution. The moment you work it out here and you find that the discriminant is less than 0, there is no solution. In other words, as soon as solve a quadratic equation, they are negative. The way it is negative, that is impossible. Right? Let's go to another area which is called equations compatible with quadratic equations. Right? So this is the only full math where for you to be in ending of this semester. Yeah, so let's say go to another level. You not learn these things again. So once you are done, you go for another level, right? Maybe you will learn statistics, whatsoever, and again you are taking some business. If you are taking business, we'll be meeting. We'll be meeting this class about what we call calculus. The calculus is so we're going to be in calculus. If it is calculus, you will be meeting calculus either with me or with the Dr. Amber. Statistics there, and again there is math. Again math 1. Again math 1. Because mathematics 1 is all to do with the what you call matrix. So the whole thing is a matrix after the game. Huh? Yeah, matrix. I teach matrix. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Accounting again. I know accounting. You are an accountant. I don't think accounting here. So you see that procurement. What way? So mathematics, you are not going to. You will be doing math up to year 4. Your math up to year 4. It's when you say right, yeah. That is education. After education, you are in the education right now. What you are doing here is what your president Shaka Boy is doing. What your president Polytechnic are doing at home as it's just the same. Now let's look at the equations of compatible to quadratic form. just the right one. Alright, let's look at this example here. Yeah, right.
Io sono